The Percy Junor Hospital is located on Main Street, Spalding, in the parish of Manchester. The hospital was made possible through the kind contributions of a businessman named Percival Sigismund Jr. He was also a justice of the peace, financier, planter, and philanthropist. Percival Jr. was born on December 29, 1880, at Walderson in the parish of Manchester. His parents were Anne E. Tibby and John Jr. Percival Jr. grew up poor, and after getting rich as an adult, he chose to give back to the town of Spaldings mainly by seeing to the setup of a hospital. In 1943, he approached the government of Jamaica with a proposal to finance the building of a hospital in Spaldings, but only under two conditions. The first condition was that the hospital must be named in his honor by being called Percy Junor Hospital. The second condition was that the hospital must be permanently a public hospital. The government agreed to his proposal and the conditions. So, Mr. Percival Jr. donated 20 acres of land to Spaldings, 30,000 in cash, along with equipment valued at 20,000 for the hospital. Construction of the hospital began the same year, 1943, and the building was completed in the first half of 1945, then opened to the public the same year. Mr. Percival Jr. died from coronary heart disease on February 29, 1972, at age 91. In 1946, an operating theater, private block, a lab, and X-ray departments were opened. Just within 12 months later, nurses and doctors' residencies were constructed. In 1970, a pediatric ward was established, allowing the relocation of children from the female medical ward. Generous donations and contributions kept coming in as the hospital serves Spaldings and surrounding areas. In 1989, additional operating and recovery rooms were constructed through donations from a group called Friends of the Hospitals. Percy Junor Hospital is a Type C hospital and offers the following services: X-ray, medical and surgical clinics, operating theater, a pharmacy, social work, 24/7 accident and emergency room, medical, surgical, maternity, and pediatric wards.